Assalamualaikum Pakistan. Good morning. Hey friends, Khurram here. Today I'm at Gloria Jeans in Galleria Mall. Nestled in the heart of Lahore's bustling commercial hub, Gloria Jeans Coffees at Galleria Mall, main Boulevard, Gulberg, is a haven for coffee lovers and casual visitors alike. Known for its premium quality coffee, inviting ambience, and exceptional service, this outlet has become a go-to spot for business meetings, family gatherings, not only family, friends as well, and solo coffee lovers seeking a tranquil retreat. The coffee boasts a modern yet cozy interior with warm lighting, comfortable seating, and a stylish blend of wood and decor. Whether you choose to sit inside for an intimate experience or enjoy the outdoor sitting with a view of Gulberg's vibrant streets, Gloria Jeans at Galleria Mall offers the perfect setting for relaxation and productivity. Gloria Jeans is synonymous with top-tier coffee offering an extensive menu that includes signature blends, handcrafted espressos, creamy lattes, and indulgent mochas. Some of the must-try options include Irish nut cream, affogato, chillers, and iced coffees. For non-coffee drinkers, the cafe also serves refreshing tea, hot chocolate, and fruit-infused beverage. Pair your drink with a selection of delectable baked goods, sandwiches, and desserts, ensuring a fulfilling experience. The staff at this outlet is known for the service and attention to detail, ensuring that every visit is memorable. The baristas are skilled in crafting the perfect cup, maintaining consistency in taste and presentation. Located at Galleria Mall on Main Boulevard, Gulberg, this branch or this outlet is accessible from all parts of Lahore. The central location makes it an ideal stop for professionals, shoppers, and tourists looking for quality coffee experience. So, before I take a leave, let me tell you, Gloria Jeans at Galleria Mall is more than just a coffee shop. It's a place where coffee culture thrives in a refined yet relaxed atmosphere, I must say. So, guys, I take a leave, and before I take a leave, let me tell you something. If you are in Lahore, do visit Gloria Jeans in Galleria Mall. Take care. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye. Pakistan. Zindabad.